In your previous class, we discussed the technical terms of a lens. Out of that, 5 technical terms we discussed. They are center of curvature, radius of curvature, optical center, principal axis, and focus. These 5 discussed. Today we will discuss about another one technical term, that is called focal plane. Focal plane. What is this? Let us know. This is a lens. Let me consider this is a convex lens. This is the ray. This is the F. This is F1 or F2? F2 for convex lens. This is a F1. Clear? Now what will happen? A plane you will draw at this F1 or F2, which is also perpendicular to the principal axis. That will be called as a focal plane. Are you clear? Means what? Throw a plane. Suppose this is the I am showing my hand. This is the principal axis. This point is the focus. More it's there. I've drawn a plane. It may be like this also. Other so many planes will be there, but which is perpendicular, that is called as a focal plane. Hope I am clear to everybody. Yes. Yes, sir. Like this. Suppose this is a throw a point. You can draw many planes. Many planes possible. See, this is a plane. This is a plane. This is also a plane. Imagine this pen tip is a focal point. Here also line is there. So you can draw like this. But which is so okay. See, this is a focus. So many planes are there. This is or different angles, different planes are there. But which is exactly perpendicular to the principal axis. That is called as a focal plane. Clear? If it is drawn at F2, it is called as a second focal plane. If it is at the F1, understood? It is a first focal plane. First focal plane. This is second focal plane for convex lens. Listen, the plane should pass. The plane should pass through the focus. Or other words, I can say that the plane should contain the focus, as well as it should be perpendicular to the principal axis. Clear? Then it is called as the plane which is passing through focus and perpendicular to the principal axis is called as the focal plane. If it is through the first focal point, then it is called as a first focal plane. If it is to the second focal plane, focal point, then it is called a second focal plane. Clear? Clear, everybody? Now, for the same thing, if I will draw for concave lens, this is suppose concave lens. If I will draw, then what will happen? Suppose this one will become F2, this one will become F1. Yes or no? Yes. First focal point is the point which is coming through the focus or coming along the focus and becomes parallel to the principal axis after reflection through the lens. So in that, according to the definition, convex lens, the left focus is the first focus, right side is the second, and concave lens it's a reverse. Clear? So accordingly, so this is the first focal plane for the convex, but concave it is second focal plane. For this, and this will be the first focal plane. Clear? Okay.